Hello there YouTube, George here. Just on another quick video. Magnum S9 this time. I actually have two of these. There's another one here. These both came in the pile. So I have one sold and I'm keeping one for myself. So nice radio. I worked on one of these before years and years ago, but went through it, set it up, aligned it, and you can see, like, no matter where you go, it's where it needs to be. I don't notice any drift or anything like that. Pretty pleased with it so far. Usual story, secret sauce. These are kind of unusual in the fact that they have a mic jack each side. And yeah, quite pleased with it now, I have to say. So other than that, there we go. It tidied up very well. This was absolutely manky, this thing. And it responded very well. We done all the knobs, put them in the ultrasonic bath, took the front off, cleaned it carefully. The chrome, not too bad on it. I've seen worse. So quite pleased with it. I like the meter on it, and it's two colour from the factory. It turns red on transmit itself. So yeah, quite pleased with that. It looks good. And just one sec. Anyway, I was saying, it turns red from the factory. And yeah, it's tidy. Came out well. So quite pleased with that. As I said, one is sold. Keeping one for myself. And there you have it. So we'll stick it on the dummy load and see what it does. Alright, so we have it on the dummy load here now. It's on the tank whip, so we'll just switch over to that. We'll go to AM. Audio. Let's see here, we turned up full there on the power. We are now. I got the sideband. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go to lower sideband. This is one of the earlier ones, twin 1969s in this. The later ones had MOSFETs, I believe. Both of these did not transmit. The PA had to be gone through from front to back in them, new outputs and drivers and a couple of little bits and pieces here and there. But they both work spot on. These have an awful problem. These have talkback in them here, and they just horrendous. So I ended up bypassing it inside. Took the relay and everything out of the equation. So even if you had it switched off on sideband, you could kind of hear a bit of a muffle through the speaker, on the external speaker, and that's no good. So we done away with that. It has echo and this Top Gun modulator and all, you know, gimmicks really. But yeah, so quite pleased with that now. Usual 6-digit counter job. Drives me nuts. What I might end up doing is I'll take the front off and I'll cover that last digit. It absolutely drives me insane looking at that. So yeah, very good. Quite pleased with that. So another quick little video for you there. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Well, the weekend is just starting now by the time you guys see this. And you know, if you've got plans and everything is going well for you, I hope you have a nice weekend. So we'll catch you again in the next one. All the very best to you. And 73s. Bye bye.